do?
Happy birthday, Ava May.
What does a cat do?
Lots of love to you.
Meow.
Mummy and Daddy, your grandma, Auntie Zoe, Uncle Callum, and all of us.
Say meow.
Friends, we wish you a lovely day. Isla.
What does a cow do? Moo. What does a cat do? Meow.
Mummy and Daddy, your sister Geordie,
Moo. Yeah, moo. That was a cow. Moo. Moo. What do ducks do? Quack quack. Meow. That's a cat. Meow. You did meow. Now we're calling the